Good morning, everybody. It's Rosalie with Can't Wait to Plan. How you guys doing? Okay, so today I am bringing you the third, what do you call it, segment of the Let's Organize YouTube Hop that my friend 𝘀𝗵𝗽𝗃 has been organizing for the past 3 months. And this month we are focusing on our one of our cart, the craft cart. In any case, I'm showing you, I actually took it out of my craft room and I'm in the, the little porch area, whatever, of my home because it was just a little bit too dark in the room to show. So anyway, I hope this is okay. Okay, so I only have one card in my craft room. I wish I have room for more, but this is the only one I could place at this time of my craft room life, and it goes kind of halfway underneath my stand-up desk. Okay, so I originally had this. This is a Lexington cart from Michael's, and I love this one. It's a little bit longer. It's a little bit bigger than what do you call it? Than the one from IKEA. But I really like it because it just seems to get more stuff in. Hi, 𝘄𝗶𝗍. That's my doggy. He's blind, but I swear to God, he can find me. And anytime he hears the noise that food make, like when my husband is in the kitchen or I'm in the kitchen or something like that, he finds his way from my craft room, which is way in front of the house, all the way in the back, which is in the back of the kitchen, which is in the back of the house. Anyway, so I used to keep some of my extra Happy Planner stuff here, but I updated recently because I don't really do Happy Planner as much anymore, and I'm really trying to change everything around in my craft room in order for me to really tackle a lot of my scrapbooking projects. But anyway, so I decided to make, because I don't do a lot of 𝘀𝗵𝗽𝗃 because things were like sort of far away from my desk, I decided to make the cart a 𝘀𝗵𝗽𝗃 kind of focus. That way, hopefully, because it's within arm reach of my desk, I will start to do more of it or even learn how to do it. I've never even done one. So there you go. Okay, so I'm going to start with this little basket. Hi, baby. What you doing? You want to say hi? Okay. I'm going to start with this little hanging basket that I think I got from IKEA. And this one. And it's when I roll it in, this is gonna be, but I'm gonna remove it after I show it because it's gonna be in the way of the rest of the cart. But in any case, this one I just put some basket that I got from I think it's Dollar Tree, and these just gonna have brushes, the spatulas thingy that I'm gonna be using. This other bigger spatula thing, I got this one from scrapbook.com. But it's I haven't even opened it because I haven't even use it with stencil or anything like that. I got the thing with the what do you call these? The sanding board or whatever. And I'm gonna put more brush in here as soon as I have time to grab those out. I did get a soft brayer from, I think it was from oh gosh, I can't remember the name of the company, not Tonic Studio, but the other one. The one that my friend Karen does the card kit and the die kit for. I can't remember what it's called now. Anyway, and then this second bucket is focusing on material that I can use to create texture. So I have like a sea sponge here. I have a different kind of sea sponge here. This is called sea silk sponge, and some plastic bags or whatever to create the effects. And I even have some kind of strange looking mesh here that I got. I don't even know. I think it's actually for like doing stuff around the house, like if you want to patch your stucco or something like that. But anyway, I plan to use it for to create texture. Then I have I use a different a larger and a different heat tools for when I do embossing power and stuff at my desk. But this one I figure it's smaller. I got it a while back. I never even used it. This is from Ranger. It's supposed to be really good as well, and I'm putting it here to dry up, you know, projects and things like papers and things as I'm doing them. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove this so we can actually see all of the stuff. So on my top one, I put things that are a little bit shorter, so that way I can still get to it and I'll be able to see everything. These basket, I believe I got it either from Dollar Tree or 99-cent store, and I don't have anything that's super shallow, and I don't want anything super shallow anyway because I wanted them not to fall over and fall out of the cart. But these, I'm putting all my Nuvo drops. I have different one, the crystal one, of course, and then you have the jewel drops, and you know, there's so many different ones. The vintage drops, which seems to, I don't know, they have those sales, you know, they have on the weekend and things like that. So I got a bunch of those from the collection. I got some liquid pearls here too, just a few. And this was kind of like a no-name liquid pearl type thing from Michael's, and some stickles. I have more stickles someplace else, but I figure this have a little bit of room to store with my Nuvo glitter drops. So I put, these are like glitter glue or glitter whatever. And when I have room or see that I use more, then I'll bring some more here, but I don't have the space anyway. And then these are like very similar to Liquid Pro. It's called Pops from scrapbook.com. It's their own brand. So I did get these little containers that was part of the special that I got that one time, and I bought an extra one, but it didn't quite fit, so I had it like this. So it's actually nice anyway, kind of jog up on the top. Here's my other doggy that's been, hi 𝘄𝗃𝗃. He's been here, you can take it off. He's been licking his feet a little bit, so I put the little cone hat on him. Hi, Shush. You're not gonna say anything, are you? Because you're like very quiet now since you're going blind, since you've been blind. Okay, so that's my kind of, I don't know what they call this type of products, but like, you know, for the drops and things. And then I have a tray of stuff I bought also through the sales with the Nuvo mousse. And I have different colors, different kind. There's also the crackles mousse, which I have no idea what the heck that means, but I only got the one. And then they do have one that's called expanding mousse, which I only got two. Then I love these paste. They're kind of Nuvo glacier paste. It seems like it has some shimmer to it. And then I got these Luna paste from Cosmic Shimmer. I got that, you know, with a lot of glitter and things like that. Super pretty, different colors. Got that as a sales from HSN. And then I got this stencil paste. It seems to have a lot of glitter in it as well from Lawn Fawn. Who knows? And then I got these really super pretty metallic gilding polish. I guess it's kind of like a metallic pearlescent type you know, material. I got different colors for that, so looking forward to using those. And then on my second shelf, again, I really wanted this one to be on top because it's a little bit taller, harder to get in and out, but I figure I don't use that as much. So this tray is for like all of the gesso, the things you use kind of on the paper. I have the heavy gesso, different one. I got a set for sales from Michael's. Actually, I probably should hold my camera with this hand so that, no, I can't do it. You know, the white gesso and so forth. Then I have some distress collage medium stuff. some paste, modeling paste, and texture medium. I'm not sure exactly how to use everything except for the gesso, since I haven't done it before. But I think, you know, by just kind of listening to people, I know some of these I need. So whenever I see them on sale, I picked it up. I got some distress glaze, 2 different sides. Oh no, this is glazing medium, and some soft gel, some heavy gel, whatever the hell these are, I have no idea, and so on. Then I have a bunch of, what do they call these? They're called gilding wax in different colors, and so forth. These are from Spectrum Noir, which is Crafter's Companion, different colors. I like that. I've used that before. And then I have all my Distress Ink Mini in containers here. I kind of put them in color families. So these are my blues and my greens and so on. Haven't used too much of that, but I will start. And then I bought a Tim Holtz, one of these, I don't know what they're called, but you know, so you can put paint in there and use coloring. You can close it to keep it, and you don't have to like wash it every time. And then on the far left here, I have all of my sprays, you know, like the Shimmer Mist type spray, but these I got different brands. I got the Distress Mica sprays from Tim Holtz. I got some of them were like Tatter Angels. I don't have much of that. Brutus Monroe, Shimmer Mist. Then I got a whole bunch from Recollections when they went out of, they discontinued these, so they sold it for really cheap. So I got some of these, and actually I've sprayed them, and they're actually quite nice. And then I recently got these from, I think it was a Cherry on Top or something like that. The glitter dust, I heard I can't remember who now mentioned it, but they really like it. It's one, I got the 3. One is iridescent, and one is the silver one, and as well as the gold one. So I thought that would be fun to do and spray. 𝘄𝗎, you're really curious with this card, huh? Okay, so then my last shelf is some of my paint. Not all. I still have a whole. Anything I have extra, I actually have a large drawer in my wall unit that contain the leftover some of these and so on. Actually, probably 2 drawers. So these are some of my paints. I got this set recently from Doris. It was just, I have different paints from everywhere, but this one they sold as a set. It came with 16 bottles. You can see it back there, that I thought was going to be really nice. These are just acrylic paint, and it comes in rainbow colors. I picked these up from Hobby Lobby on sale a while back for $2.75 from 11, and they're just metallic paint. I got 5 colors, and I thought they're just so pretty. I wanted to use them to do splatter and things. And then I have a few Distress Pink from Tim Holtz, and I think this is a Ranger brand 𝘀𝗶𝗸 from different colors. So I don't have a lot. Then I actually picked this up a while back. I don't even know. I never even used it. Maybe it's even dry up already, but they're just paint pens somewhere. I don't know where, but I got them. So that's that. Then on this last basket here, I got all of the Distress Oxide sprays that I have, as well as this Distress Spray Stain. Not sure what's the difference, but anyway, one is Distress Ink, one is Distress Oxide. That's their back here. Then I have just some ink, Distress Ink refill bottles, which again, I picked them up. They were part of some set or whatever, but really I have not used any of them since I don't use that too much. Then I have a few of the serrated tools and so forth. Actually, I have a few up here, you know, the one, and then I have a few from, let me see. I forgot to show those. I have a few of these type of thing, you know, from Tim Ho. Oh, Tonic Studios. Was that the name? No, that's not it. Where you can create the dots, the perforation and stuff like that, and whatever in my special effects stuff. And then the last, then I have this. I have a lot more watercolor pencil and things which I didn't even put in the cart. But this one I picked up recently. They're just pearlescent watercolor. I got it from Home Good. I mean, not Home Goods. 𝘀𝗵𝗽𝗽𝗃. Oh gosh. Burlington Coat Factory for $5, and haven't used it yet, but I like the effects. And then I have all of my, I have all of my Distress Oxide ink pads, the larger ink pads, in a couple of bins back here. Haven't even really opened any of them because I haven't been stamping too much or using them for 𝘀𝗵𝗽𝗃 effects, but I will start now that things are organized. I actually before this video is due, I actually try to collect everything around my room since I wasn't as organized with all this stuff and they were spread out everywhere wherever I have space to put them. 𝘄𝗶𝗁, please stop licking, baby. Our maids are here, so I put out some stuff for her to later on sweep this area in front of the house. Anyway, so I had them everywhere around the craft room, so I kind of pulled them and just piled them up on this cart, but I didn't really organize it. And yesterday, because I know this video is due today, I went ahead and organized everything and so forth, and so I can do this video. Okay, so I hope that you find this useful, gives you any ideas for anything, who knows, but in any case, I'm so glad I got a chance to get it organized, and perhaps I will start to use it more as I start scrapbooking again. All right, so you guys take care. Have a wonderful, wonderful weekend, and we will talk soon. Bye for now.